Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make eggnog. So let's cook. So you first want to start out by pouring in 3 cups of half and half. And you want to cook this on a medium-low heat until it begins to simmer. While our milk simmers, you want to go ahead and cream together 6 egg yolks and 1 cup of sugar. Now that our milk has begun to simmer just a little bit, you're going to go ahead and temper your sugar and egg mixture. Now you just want to use a little bit at a time. Because if you go too fast, you'll wind up with scrambled eggs. Now that that's done, we're just going to go ahead and pour this inside of our half and half. Now you're just going to continue to cook this up until your milk coats the back of a spoon. Okay guys, so my milk has begun to thicken up, so I'm going to go ahead and just strain this through a strainer. Now you just want to strain your milk through a strainer. And that's just to make sure that you're getting all the impurities out. Now to this you want to add in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Next you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to mix this up. So now that I mixed that up, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the ice bath so I can cool this down before adding my cream in. Or if you want, you could just place it in the refrigerator. So my eggnog has cooled down. So now I'm just going to go in with some heavy cream. And that was about 2 cups of heavy cream. So now you just want to fill your container up. And here's your eggnog here, guys. So you can put this in the refrigerator and this will stay fresh for about a week. And here's our glass. And I'm just going to pour some in my glass. And you can see how nice and thick that eggnog is. And you can just finish that off with a cinnamon stick. Just like this. And here you go guys. That's how I make my eggnog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.